When elephants come, we lose everything. This is what farmers from communities surrounding the Okavango Delta are constantly saying. What if we knew when the elephants were coming before they arrived? It's for possibilities like this that we started Innovation Kgotla. We believe communities living alongside wildlife should not have to endure these challenges, but should have the tools to solve it. We've trained over 4,000 Africans across 15 plus countries in AI, data science, coding, and more, empowering them to build solutions for their own realities. One of our students from Botswana turned his lived experience into a solution. He developed a system that uses drones, artificial intelligence to detect elephants kilometers away before they reach the farms. Using nature-inspired deterrence, mimicking bees, the drones safely guide the elephants away from the farms, sending real-time alerts to farmers and wildlife responders. This means farmers no longer have to risk their lives guarding their fields at night. Their crops survive, and the yield becomes predictable. And for the first time, they can predictably supply sustainably sourced, locally produced food to tourism lodges and local markets, turning conservation areas into sources of income, not loss. Because one system can protect thousands of hectares, this solution can scale across conservation landscapes. When communities connect with technology, communities lead, and conservation stands a chance.